Two-hand Tony. Leaving town so soon?
Ranger Raw Dog. Fancy seeing you here today.
Well, one could say the same. I heard you over in Tulsa. Roasted a mother and her child. Flaying them up real nice.
News travels around this city pretty fast. What can I say? My reputation precedes me.
You know the code? We don't roast women and children.
You roast rangers. You're all the same. Fuck the code.
You're in luck.
Then how about one last dance with the devil?
Don't mind if I do.
Not so fast, Raw Dog. Take one more step and Louisiana gets it.
You goddamn coward. Ain't no sense in crying over spilled hot sauce.
What are you gonna do with me? You just gonna roast me right here? Leave me for dead?
Oh no. Death would be way too good for you. I'm gonna give you just what you deserve.
You son of a bitch! Boys, find out what happened here today. You won't be able to go anywhere. You won't have any peace. There's 7 more of them left. You just wait. A reckoning's a coming for you, hero. No.
And I'll be waiting.
Don't you walk away from me. Don't you turn your back on me. You hear me, Ranger? You son of a bitch. Bring me my mustache back. You can't eat all that hot sauce by yourself. You come back.